We are going to look at the structure of a company from 4 different perspectives: type, division, function, and workforce. Type is important for 2 reasons: law and tax. If a business operates locally, the law and the tax are local inside the country or the region. Outside of the home country, the rules of cooperation are different and the tax to be paid will be different. The size of the company is measured in the number of employees and the amount of money that comes into the company. Small companies, starting with micro one-person businesses, have different operating laws and tax payments compared to mid-sized or large corporations, sometimes called multinational corporations. The financial activities become more complex the bigger the company becomes. Large companies can be split into operational divisions by geography or by sector of activity. Standard geographic locations are EMEA, Europe, Middle East and Africa, the Americas, and Asia Pacific. A sector is an area of business activity often broadly classified into industrial, including engineering or construction, and services, such as banking, retail, and information technology. Now let's move on to the functions, which is the way the company works. Internal organization often comprises 5 major departments: finance, operations, marketing, human resources, and information technology. All of these operate to make sure that the company works efficiently, sometimes called collaboration. It's not always productive or more efficient when departments only think about their own ways of doing things and not on communicating with other departments. This is a sort of silo mentality typical in very large companies. In the last 20 years, a different way of organization has developed, where experts from different departments have been put into teams and stay together in projects or products or in geographical areas. And this flat hierarchy means quicker and easier communication to reach the goals of the company. Finally, also in the last 20 years, there's been a change in the terminology of job titles and responsibilities given to people. Traditionally, workers are paid for being employees or managers or administrators, and these words have more often been replaced by operative, supervisor, specialist. And along with this change is the organization hierarchy structure, from tall to flat, from many levels and long communication times to faster ways in a flat hierarchy of only one level, where everybody is delegated the responsibility to carry out the work themselves, communicating within small teams. We will look more into many of these situations and use the vocabulary later in the module.